Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B, and on this episode, I'm going to go through and show you how to clean your wooden pick and also your wooden beard comb. So make sure you guys subscribe, all right? Hit the notification, you know what I'm talking about? Like, and then of course, leave your comments below. So with that said, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is, let's look at the wooden beard pick that you can find at blackmensbeard.com. The link would be at the bottom. And also I would have the benefits to our video where we talk about the benefits of using a wooden beard pick and also a wooden beard comb. So that would be in the description, or it'd be right here somewhere. So what you want to do, you don't want to immerse wood in water, because it's going to change the color, and it's going to, and also can cause it to welt. So what do? You can get some oil. This is really simple. Grab some oil. All right. First thing you want to do, grab some oil. You can use your beard oil. And then you want to apply the oil onto the beard pick. All right, that's what you can do. Just a little, that's it. Apply it there. Get you a paper towel. All right, get your paper towel, and then what you want to do is just wipe it down. That's it. Just wipe it down. All right, wipe it down. You don't want to use water. Okay, you don't want to use water. Then you still have to clean in between the teeth. So B, how do I clean in between the teeth? You want to take a toothbrush. You can also use a toothbrush, throw some oil on it. And then you can, I'm talking about, brush the teeth. Make sure you press on it. All right. Then you take another paper towel, just wipe it down, and the wood is going to soak up most of the oil, but that's all right. It's all right. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Now, to clean your beard wooden comb, so it's going to be like the same thing. Take some oil, and then you want to just run it across. Run it across here. Okay. And then you take your toothbrush and you want to clean the teeth, get inside the teeth here. And you do the same thing, turn it around on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you can see here, I press on it, so then now you can see the teeth coming on the other side. That's way you can get in between the teeth, and you're really getting it clean. Then take your paper towel and you wipe it down. Okay. And so if you don't get all the oil off, don't worry about it. By the time you get up in the morning, if you're doing this at night, the oil would have soaked into the beard comb, the wooden beard comb, and the wooden pick. All right. There you have it. It shouldn't take you no more than 10 to 15 minutes to complete this task. If that, it shouldn't even take that long, but just in case. All right. Now, B, how often should I do this? Either you do it every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, or monthly. You make the choice which out of those three, what you're gonna do. Okay? That's how you clean your wooden beard pick and your wooden beard comb. All right, so if you found that this episode was helpful, please leave your comments below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell. This is your boy B. I'll see you guys on the next episode, and you already know. We out.